some of the mindset, what people think about the Igbo man. It is not true. The truth is that most Nigerians will not want to go to Igbo land because they cannot compete with the business acumen of the people. Listen to it, they can't compete. You can't enter into a business where the Igbo man has taken over. He will not do anything to you, but you discover that you don't have the skill to achieve success, so they run away. It's like saying that the Igbo man loves money too much. That is part of what we hear, the label to the Igbo man. I have had it everywhere. But I have not seen any tribe that doesn't like money. But let me tell you the truth about that. It is not true that the Igbo man loves money too much. The truth is that the money loves the Igbo man because he knows what to do with it. And I want to also tell you that the difference between the Igbo man and other tribes is that when Igbo man is focused on something, particularly money related, he puts everything there. Others will pretend.
He makes a pretense
but their eyes, they have their eyes there.
So the Igbo man makes no pretenses about his love for money.
No, not pretend, not about love for money. No, he goes straight to fight for what he believes in.
Let's bring in more tweets here.